Hello, let me show you multiple methods how you can go back on the Samsung A37 5G. So the first option, you can use the voice access. Go back, like this for example. So you can just say that phrase and your phone will go back. I'm going to show you how you can enable it. Another method, when you are in some settings, you can find this back button on the left upper corner. You can also click on it to go back. You can use gestures. So you can swipe from the left side and release. You can also do this much faster, and you can do this from the top of the screen, from the bottom of the screen, or even from the right part of the screen. You can even do this like super slow, like in my case. Swipe, hold, and now we can release. And there's also another method, for example, by using classic buttons. So go for the display, now go to the navigation bar, and go for buttons, and now we can go back by using this classic back button. And if you are interested in this go back by using voice command, you will have to open the accessibility settings. Now go for installed apps, select voice access, and you will have to just turn it on with this feature. For the first time, you will have to actually download the language pack to use it. And you will have to enable this voice access shortcut that will be just floating like in my case. And now anytime you want to use it, you will have to click on it, go home, and it works just like this. Of course, there's the list of all the voice commands when you go for this voice settings. Thanks so much for watching.